Hey, content creators, adventurers, drone enthusiasts, elevate your storytelling with the DJI Mini 4 Pro Flymo Combo featuring the DJI RC2 screen remote controller. This folding mini drone is your ticket to capturing epic moments, whether you are in the UK, US, Canada, Australia, or across Europe. Weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro is hassle-free, so you can skip the drone pilot certification process in most countries. Just charge it up and soar over stunning landscapes or vibrant cities without waiting on paperwork. Its compact design slips easily into your backpack, ready for any adventure from rugged coasts to urban jungles, capturing breathtaking 4K/60 FPS high-definition HDR videos and 48MP RAW photos with the Mini 4 Pro's 1 and 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. From golden sunrises to twinkling night scenes, every shot pops with vivid clarity and color. True vertical shooting makes your footage social media ready, straight from the camera, no editing needed. Slow-mo at 4K/100 FPS freezes thrilling moments, while 10-bit, D-Long M, and HLG modes offer pro-level flexibility for post-production. Fly with confidence due to omnidirectional obstacle sensing with 4 wide-angle vision sensor, downward binocular sensor, and a 3D TOF depth sensor. This drone detects obstacles all around, perfect for beginners and pros alike. The advanced pilot assistance system handle automatic braking and bypassing, letting you navigate tricky environments without collision worries. The RC2 5.5-inch FHD screen clearly displays obstacles, helping you plan safer and unleash bolder creativity. Wave goodbye to battery stress with 3 intelligent flight batteries, each providing up to 34 minutes of flight time. They included 2-way charging hub, fast charges, multiple batteries, keeping you airborne longer to capture every angle. Cruise control ensures smooth camera movements on long flights, and advanced return to home uses omnidirectional sensing to bring your drone back safely, even in the winds up to 10.7 mph per second. Immerse yourself in real-time area views with DJI's O4 video transmission, streaming crisp 180 pixel live feeds from up to 20 kilometers away. The RC2's built-in screen delivers lag-free visuals without needing a phone, ideal for exploring vast terrains or tight urban spaces. Adjust shutter speed, iOS, and white balance via DJI Fly app for total creative control. Make every shot cinematic with intelligent features like Active Track 360 degrees, customized tracking paths in terrace mode for dynamic shots of moving objects like runners or sofas. Switch between manual mode for tailored flight routes or auto modes for smart cinematic moves like circle, drone, or helix. Waypoint flight ensures precise route repeatability, while quick shots like rocket, boomerang, and asteroid add instant flair. Create stunning 180 degrees wide angle or spherical panoramas, and use the Lightcut app's AI tools to blend footage with sound effects and templates for vibrant, share-ready videos. The Flymo Combo includes everything you need: the DJI Mini 4 Pro RC2 controller, 3 34-minute batteries, charging hub, a shoulder bag, extra propellers, and more. It is built to keep you flying and creating no matter where your adventure takes you. Are you ready to capture the world from new heights. Get your DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo with RC2 today. Head to Amazon now and start your area journey. This DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed.